Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah, we'll learn about Surah Al-Falaq and we'll learn how to read it with proper tajweed, word by word, inshallah. Just practice and follow with me, please. Surah Al-Falaq Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul, Qaf is heavy. Qul A'udhu. Heard it right, you need to stretch. A'udhu. Make sure you're not making it hard, and we have to read it really soft. Zu, zu, like this. A'udhu bi rabbil. Press the ba. Bi rabbil falaq. Falaq. Heard it right. The sound of the letter qaf will bounce back. Falaq. Next. Min sharri. Sharri. Raw will be light here, and we have to make a little pause here because this is a mushaddad letter. Sharri ma. Stretch for a second. Khalaq. Next. Wa min. We have to do ikhfa here, and we have to hide the noon sakin and take the sound into our nose here. Sharri ghasiqin إذا وقب ومن شر. You hit it right, we have to press and take the sound into our nose. شر, like this. نفاثات fill. Yes, skip everything, just join fa with the lam. Fill عقد. عقد. The sound of the letter dal is bouncing back. Last ayah. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. حَسَدَ. Ha will be sharp, sin will be having a whistle sound in it, and the letter dal will bounce back. So practice, follow for more. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.